Welcome back to the shop, everyone. Today, we're going to explore what is arguably the most important circuit in industrial electronics, and that is the relay latch, otherwise known as the start-stop circuit. Our phase dock trainer is ready. We have a 24-volt distribution block and circuit breaker here. Not shown is a 24-volt external power supply. Our Phoenix contact relay is ready, as well as our switches and our green panel lamp. Let's begin by turning the switch block over, which makes it easier to wire. We take a quick look at the schematic where we see on the first rung, start, stop, and CR1. That's what we're going to wire first. We're going to come off the distribution block, go to the normally open green push button. Then we're going to go through the normally closed red push button to the relay coil and then back to ground. So let's get that wired up now. We come off the 24-volt distribution block, go to the normally open contact. We come out, go to the normally closed block. That's our stop switch. Exit, going to the A2 on the relay. With a short jumper from the A2 to the ground. Let's flip the switch block again so we can see what's going on. Power on, circuit breaker on. From that schematic, remember, all we've done is wired the top line. We have the start, the stop, the coil all in series. So if we press start, the relay should activate, and it does. However, if the stop button is pressed, the relay should not activate. Circuit breaker off, power off. Let's wire in the latch circuit. The schematic shows that we need to go from 24 volts through a normally open contact on the control relay. With regards to this Phoenix contact relay, we recognize that all of the lower contacts here are common. These contacts are the normally open, and these contacts are the normally closed. From the schematic, we know that we need a normally open, which means from here to here. Here's the 24 volts going to that common. We now leave the control relay and we go to the junction between the start and stop switch. I should have mentioned that there are 3 wires that go up to the switches. That's another name for the circuit. It's sometimes called a 3-wire circuit, a latch circuit, or a start-stop circuit. Power on, circuit breaker on. Now, when we press the button here, the relay should latch into place. And it does. And when we push the stop button, it should release. So start and stop with 3 wires going up to the switches. Power off, circuit breaker off. Let's wire in the panel lamp, which is on the 3rd line of our schematic. That's 1 wire from the 24-volt distribution to the common. We leave on a normally open contact, go to the panel lamp, then we'll use a blue with white stripe wire to return to the return side of the power block. I should mention that we're using pre-cut wires that have ferrules installed, and I use this PVC pipe to keep everything organized. This makes it very convenient to wire the circuit and fast. For our final test, power on, circuit breaker on. Now when we push this button, the green panel lamp comes on, and when we push the red button, it stops. So start, green panel lamp, and stop. Let me leave you with a word of caution. Occasionally, you'll find relays, such as this Phoenix contact, that have a mechanism that allow you to force the relay. Watch what happens. If we force it, the latched relay will latch. We know that because the green panel lamp is on. The only way to turn it off is to push the stop button. Keep that in mind, because if you enter a control panel and you start forcing things willy-nilly, you could activate a latch, leading to unintended consequences.